So how to actually make the money just by using your Facebook account? Do you want to know? It's right here, bros, in this video. Check this out.
Hey! Let's go!
Alright friends, so in this video I want to show you how you could make money just by using your Facebook account. It's really simple because I know that a lot of the people, they using the Facebook every single day just for the entertainment. They watching some videos, they searching for some photos, they chatting with their friends, they spending the time just for nothing. And I want to show you how you can change that time for the useful things, how you can change the time for the profit which brings you the money. And it's really easy and it's really simple, and everybody can do that because it absolutely works just with the facebook.com. And bro, if you don't have the Facebook account right now, so go to the facebook.com and create it. It just takes 5 minutes and you will have your personal business tool for success. But first of all, guys, I want to tell you a few words about me. That kind of the people who don't know, my name is Tim Wider. I work in the BEPIC Company with the Larry Lane from the Hollywood, California, and together we're doing great business all around the world because we are already in the more than 200 countries, and a lot of the people, they join us every single day because we provide all the information, we provide all the details and education absolutely for free. And if you're that person who's searching how to make money just by using a Facebook account, so this information right here. In the description you'll find the link for our group Road to Success, where will be online education for you, my friend. And you could start to make real money online without pay anything. Because I know that a lot of the people, they spend the money for the education in the different kind of the countries. Just imagine how much money you spend for the education if you go into the school, after that you go into the university. And what is really interesting, 90% of that people, they still didn't find the work. They still didn't find the work, they still without the money. And here in our company we provide all that information for free. Just all you need, join the Road to Success group, the link in the description in the Facebook, and watch all our tutorials and education and start to make that money what you were searching for all that time. Absolutely, my friend. If you were searching for the legit company where you can make real money online, so it's absolutely here in the BEPIC Company. I will give you the example because a lot of the people, they ask me every time the same question. Why I should join BEPIC? What's the super in the BEPIC Company? Why I should join this? Because I know that a lot of the people, they join the different kind of the companies every single day, where they must share some products and the service for the people. And after that, when they join that companies, they start to be disappointed. They start to be confused, like they trying to propose for the people the products and services, and people, they tell them, no, I don't need it. Just imagine, for example, I will give you the example. This is the product, guys, but if you will propose it like a product, nobody will take it. If you propose the product like a product, nobody will take it. I will tell you this, it's really on the 100% true. Just I will give you an example right now. You know that one of your friends have the problem with the energy, and you have the product for the energy, which one can help him to get that energy. So when you will meet him on the street, you will tell him, hey bro, how you doing? Oh, not just in the street, like somewhere. I know that you have the problem with the energy. He said, yes, I have it. I have the product with a lot of the ingredients. Here's the energizers or something like that. He will tell you, no, I don't need it, bro. I don't need it because I tried many similar or something like that. Nobody take it. But if you will meet him and he will tell him, listen, I have the really powerful, excited product which really explode the world, because you can find a lot of the results, and this is true on the 100%. You can find a lot of the results on the internet. A lot of the people, they using this product right now. They have a lot of the energy. You can try it because all the ingredients is natural. All the products is absolutely safe. You can try it and you will have everything what you was dreaming for. He said, okay, I will try it. Okay, I will try it, and he will start to take this product. If you will propose the product like this, he will tell you yes. He will tell you yes, and it will be absolutely works. So we teach all of the details in our Road to Success groups how to start to make this money. Bro, and if you're still thinking to join or not, don't think. Just join us right now. All the links will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. Don't forget to put the like. Don't forget to paste the comments. Ask the question if you didn't understand something. We provide only quality information. We're teaching the people for free how to make money online. And it's only here on the airline channel we provide this kind of the information. I will see you on the top really soon, guys. It's the best business ever, which will make explode in the 2018, because we're doing the great legit business all around the world. A lot of the people, they join us every single day. Guys, like I said, 2018 February, the best months to join. Be that person what you want to be. We provide all the information. We teach how to make the money. So if you are searching for the way how to make money online, so it's right here. We'll see you on the top.
Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.